Here is Sam. After a long time, I'm coming back for YouTube. So sorry for a huge delay between the videos. I was facing some problems, and also because of COVID, everything got messed up, but it is what it is. Every good son, every good son. I forgot. It is what it is. So, so I'm here to introduce the series, the playlist that I'm going to do, and the name is going to be Basic Electronics and PCB Designing. So in this playlist I will be teaching first the basic electronics components and basic electrical engineering, should I say, that will add. If you learn electrical and electronics, everything goes together. So after that we are going to move for PCB designing and electric circuits. So in this first episode I want to show you some softwares that we are going to use along the playlist, along the lessons, which we are going to use, as I said, for schematics, for circuit designing, and other stuff you will see along the time. So just quick information. So after along this series I will be uploading some other videos related to other things. In the end it's going to be electronics, but I'm thinking to start posting DIY videos again, tutorials, how to make, let's suppose, how to make an AC, these kind of things. But for that I need some time because I moved, so I don't have my equipment here. So I need to get some equipment, then I can start with that. So I was planning to start like after 1 month, but let's start now, why not? So enough of talking, let's go for the softwares. So the software that we are going to use for electric circuit designing and also simple loop, simple mesh circuits, we are going to use Proteus 8 Professional. I think you read it like this, Proteus. And for PCB designing we are going to use EasyEDA standard for now, then we can move for EasyEDA Pro. So let me show you the Proteus. Proteus is a simple software that you can make electric circuits. Here, if I'm not wrong, you can also make PCBs with this, but not the 3D. You cannot visualize it. You can just do the schematics, and I think you export it to some other software. I don't know, I'm not sure about that. So here, let me go to my first example. Actually, I'm recording this video for the second time because the audio wasn't recording at the first. So let me open this. So here in this PCB you can in this software you can design simple electric circuits like this. I really forgot use this thing. Okay, so here you can design simple electric circuits. So this was a electric circuit for a basic diagram for a project that I am in. So this, it's basically simple, very simple. It's saying that a 48 battery is applying voltage to this DC to DC converter, and this DC to DC converter will step down the voltage to 15, and 15 will supply to this controller, and this controller will supply the voltage to this DSAL automatically. So I can show you another circuit, and this is a bit complex, yes. So here is another circuit. I'm just showing that you can make such things, diagrams. So this is another diagram that I made here. You see, we've labeled and everything. So moving on, for PCB designing, you're going to use EasyEDA. In EasyEDA, you can also make schematics, but the thing is, here the schematics is mostly to make PCBs afterwards. So these components that are here are like simulation of the components in real life. So in this software you can make PCB designing. Here is the schematics for the PCB that I'm going to show you, and I hope quick note, I hope that in the end of this series everyone should be able to understand, at least know how to read this component. Obviously you won't know what is this all for because you are not the one making it, but you should be able to understand that this is a resistor, this is a transistor, this is a MOSFET transistor because of the name, and these kind of things, why we named outputs like this and no connections like this, these kind of things. So after, on PCB designing, after you do the schematics, you turn it into a PCB. It won't appear like this. A lot of things is done, so you have to do a lot of arrangements and everything. You put everything as you want, then afterwards you can make the roots, blah 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 blah. After you make the roots, you can visualize the final product, in this case the PCB. My laptop now is running crazy, the fan went crazy. So this is the PCB, the final product. It's going to be like this, not exactly like this because some components are missing now. So I hope everyone in the end should be able to do these things. And I want suggestions, because I think some guys are already knowledge about electronics. So should I teach this separately, like how to use these softwares, how to make the schematics and everything, or should I go like from the beginning and move forward? So for that, leave in the comments below. I hope you like the video. I'm going to end here today. I'm just talking, not teaching anything. I'm just showing you the softwares, which is EasyEDA and Proteus. So after this, I'm going to end the video. I hope you like the video. Please leave your like, subscribe, share with your friends that are interested in electronics. Even the ones that are not, maybe they will get interested on this. So I hope you help me grow on YouTube. So thank you once again. It's going to be an exciting journey for all of us. So stay creative and see you someday on the first episode, the official one. I'm going to name it 1 point. Okay, bye.